Remember, we're in a situation right now, we're seeing declining vaccination rates. Last year, we had 35,000 cases of pertussis. The year before, it was 5,000. This year, we're expecting upwards of 75,000. So you're starting to see the vaccination rates declining, and you're starting to see the implications of that in terms of more disease. I think he's going to systematically go after, try to force manufacturers to reformulate and decouple some of these vaccines. One of the things they did in the COVID approval that was interesting was a contraindicated co-administration between the COVID vaccine and flu and RSV. And as you know, I'm on the board of Pfizer.
Right.
There's a lot of data showing that COVID could be safely administered with flu. In fact, the CDC website still recommends that. They created a new evidentiary standard they called substantial clinical benefit. They're saying you have to prove substantial clinical benefit in order to demonstrate that two vaccines can be co-administered. They did this in the context of COVID. If you extend this, not to an extreme, but just to sort of its logical next step, why wouldn't they call into question co-administration of the pediatric schedule and say you have to demonstrate that there's substantial benefit to co-administering these? If they did that...
There's a substantial benefit if you're a parent because you don't want your kid to get jabbed four times instead of one for the MMRV.
A lot of what we do with the pediatric schedule is to try to conform with the practice of pediatrics because you can only bring a baby back so many times for a well baby visit. If they start to decouple these things and force a lot of more interactions with the healthcare system, it's going to put pressure on vaccination rates overall. Right. You want to get them over with, but it's going to cause a lot of people not to get those vaccines.
Them at all.
Yeah, they'll be lost to follow-up.